Hello and welcome to the implementation demonstration of my master's thesis, Dark Market Forensics. This video has been created as a support material to the same named article at the Excel at FIT 2021 student conference at the Faculty of Information Technology, Brno, University of Technology. Without further ado, let me start by briefly explaining what the purpose of this project is. The presented project aims to create a highly modular and extensible software toolset capable of uninterrupted monitoring of websites, such as dark marketplaces, running behind the Tor proxy. By implementing modules tailored for individual websites, the program can gather precise and remarkably detailed information over time. Long-term monitoring can provide vital information about the website, offered products, active vendors, and even the purchases themselves. Such data can later give a deep insight into the operations of the selected sites, show current trends, and reveal otherwise hidden knowledge. The ultimate goal is product purchase detection, subsequent cryptocurrency blockchain correlation, and flagging of relevant transactions where applicable. The implementation details are described in the article itself, whereas this video will focus on application monitoring and results. Let us now take a look at the monitoring tools and later at the current state of the available results. We are now seeing the central monitoring dashboard from the Greylog system. Greylog ingests logging messages directly from the running application, then normalizes, persists, and indexes them. It uses Elasticsearch, allowing quick lookup, filtering, and aggregation of the data. The system also allows setting up alerts on various events triggered, for example, by processing erroneous messages or by selected metrics falling under a defined threshold. This dashboard displays several important system metrics in real time. These metrics can tell the user if the application is working correctly, what is it currently doing, and how it worked in the recent past. We can see a histogram of request timeouts over the last 8 hours. This can tell us whether there are some issues with the connectivity through the Tor proxy. A multi-line chart showing counts of logging messages by their facilities. Anomalies in module behavior can be discovered from this view. Then there is a series of numbers: count of purchases detected by the application in the last hour, and count of scrapes during the previous 1 and 10 minutes. And finally, a real-time feed of the actual logging messages. This second Greylog dashboard is more simplistic and only displays recent information about detected purchases and products, such as a list of newly created product listings in the last 24 hours, a histogram of sales in the previous 7 days, and a list of sales with descriptive product information. The system just detected a purchase of a particular product. It is immediately displayed in the corresponding table along with other relevant information. Furthermore, this dashboard is publicly accessible, therefore you can take a look for yourself. The necessary credentials and information are available from the article's webpage. The link will be in the video description. The dashboard you are currently seeing is from a different system named Grafana. In contrast to Greylog, Grafana relies solely on the application's database and is entirely independent of the application itself. The same types of metrics as in previous Greylog dashboards are displayed here. This is perfect for cross-validation since Greylog views are based on logging and the Grafana views are based on the actual data produced by the application. The system has once again detected some purchases. As you can see, the views are updated in real time to reflect what is currently happening. Now, the previous dashboards were focused on monitoring the application's behavior and current metrics. The following views are based on aggregated scraping data and aim to present some tangible results. We can see the number of purchases based on the product origin country, number of sales during a specific time of day, sales detected over time, the most bought products, the most successful vendors, and leading drug categories. In this final aggregated result view on the left, we can see the number of existing products based on their country of origin, and on the right, we can see the number of recent purchases by the product's country of origin. These are just some initial data views, and much more information can be gained by further analyzing acquired data. As I have mentioned before, some of the presented dashboards are publicly available either as a real-time view or database snapshot view. Please visit the article's webpage for more details. The link is in the video description. I hope you have enjoyed this short video. Thank you for joining me for the implementation demonstration of my master's thesis, Dark Market Forensics. Have a great day.